Hello, my name is Doug Bugle. I'm a regional sales representative at Peak Toolworks. This quick video I wanted to talk to you about is about shrink fit technology for diamond router bits. What I have here in my hand is an HSK F63 shrink fit tool holder with no tool in it, and this is the same HSK shrink fit tool holder with a diamond tool in it. The four advantages you have with running shrink fit technology is: one, you get a longer runtime; number two, you get a faster feed rate; number three, you get a better finish; and number four, you get much less vibration, because in this system, you've eliminated all the run out in the tool. That vibration can be very costly because the vibration will run up and travel through the spindle, which can be very expensive. Thank you very much for watching this video. You can get more information on our website at www.peaktoolworks.com, or you can email us at sales@peaktoolworks.com. Thank you.